Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to add a new custom node to Node-RED in Bluemix. So first, I will talk about what you need. Second, you have to build your new custom node. And third, we will bind the GitHub repository to Bluemix application. First, what you need. So you have to have a Bluemix account and a GitHub account. You can create a new Bluemix account going to the Bluemix website, that is bluemix.net. And once you have the Bluemix account, you can go to the WebJS website, that is web.js.net, and create your WebJS account. It's very easy to create. So building a new custom node. So in the next video, I explained how is a Node-RED node divided. So we have two files, HTML file, that is the node visual, and a JavaScript file, that is the node logic. So you have to code those files, and once you have those files, you can go to the Bluemix in your Node-RED application and add a Git repository to that application. So how to bind your GitHub repository to Bluemix application? So now I'm going to the Bluemix website. Here is my Bluemix dashboard. I will create a new boilerplate in our Node-RED application. In the catalog section, in the boilerplates category, I will click on the Node-RED starter button. I'll put a name for the application, Node-RED binding Git. The ROS name is here, and now I'll click on the create button. So here is the Node-RED application overview, the application that we have created. You can see the routes here, and here in the add Git, I will click on the add Git button, and we will be able to bind our application to a Git repository. So I click on the add Git button. In this screen, I have to put my credentials of my Git repository, Git account, sorry. So in this screen, it will ask you if you wanted to populate the new repository with the starter application package. So if you select this in the check mark here, the Bluemix will populate the new repository with the package, the Node-RED package. So I'll click on the continue button, and the Git repository is being created. Maybe take a while. So as we can see on the screen, the Git repository was created and bound to our Node-RED application. I will click on the close button, and as we can see now, we have the Git URL of the application, webjs.net/git/ my username and the name of the application. So now I will click on the code button, and we will go to the project in the WebJS. So here is the project that the Bluemix have created in the WebJS, and here is the repository with all the folders for the Node-RED application. And you can see in this folder here called nodes. In this folder is where you will put your files, okay? And after you push your files to your new project in the WebJS, you will push it, and you will be able to see your new node in the Node-RED editor. So you just push your folder, this folder here, nodes, and after that you will be able to use your new node in the Node-RED editor. Thank you.